Sellers next. Okay. BG thing. Quick snap, flash. Flash 400. Disposable. 27. Wait, what? To flash 400. Same? Oh, okay, flash 400. So different packaging, right? So 27 exposures. You find, oh, right there, okay. So 27 exposures. Okay, is it the same?
Yeah.
Yep.
35. So 35 mm. Oh, man. 35 mm. Is it 35 mm? Oh, wow. I mean, it looks the same, right?
Same to me.
35 mm. There's no 35 mm here, though. I don't see anything.
Yeah, I don't see it on the box, but does it say it on the other box?
No, we're saying on a title though.
Yeah.
Hey, my name's Celine, and
Oh.
I just wanted to hop on here.
Okay. I mean, I don't know.
I feel like some
They're
on the
right.
side of it say 3M or something on the side of it.
Here.
Yeah.
3M.
3M. Oh, 3M is, wait, 30 mm.
Go back to it. 3M is.
So Cindy said does not come with a strap.
Yeah, that's what I was about to ask you.
Let me see.
See that strap?
Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, right there. So
And
hand
there's a
strap,
and the
plus
drag
the cloth,
and the
right?
microfiber.
Nice. Okay, good catch.
So nope.
So no, it doesn't match. But we'll just run the numbers, right? For practice. So 15.75. 15.75. So ROI is 10%. Sales per month is 920. With this much people on it.
Yeah, I got a lot of those.
Yeah, so this is a good example. Carolyn, there's not much sellers on it, right? The
Right.
problem is the volume, right, of inventory.
Yeah, it's crazy.
But this one seller has 900, this one seller has 500.
Why?
I think they're doing wholesale.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, this has enough volume though. So 920 sales a month. Which means, man, it's kind of complicated. What do you guys think? Would you guys do it or no?
No.
No.
Yeah, too many.
Oh,
Yeah, there's too many people there, right? I mean, too many inventory, right?
correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we able to tell from the top two sellers how often are they selling them? Because what if that inventory just flies?
Huh?
I was like, are we able to tell from those top two with the high inventory how often are they selling?
Yeah, you can go to Keepa if you want, and then look at data. And then buy box statistics. And then you kind of see here. Yeah. So these two people are getting most of the sales, which makes sense because they got the cheapest price, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this one's quality photo. This one is game chest. Let me see. Where's game chest? Oh, they were right there. But yeah, this seller's getting most of the sales right here, like 40%.
Yeah, he's killing it.
Yeah. So product. Let's see. let's go hydro 20 tablets.
That's funny. I just had that one.
Oh, really? So this one's
But
a
I couldn't.
berry.
I couldn't engage though.
Okay. So berry, right? Yeah, berry. Or 20 tablets, 20 tablets. Okay, berry. Okay, cool. So here, right? If you buy a lot, you get a discount right here.
Right.
So let's just use this number to buy four for 705, right? Right here. So 705.
Good deal.
So ROI is 43%. Sales per month is 63. Oh, wow.
It's crazy.
The problem here is that there's so many sellers though. And sales per month is only 63.
Way too many.
You guys got it? So 63 sales a month.
So you'll say no, because it's so many, it's a lot of sellers.
Right. So 63 sales a month. And then these are all the sellers. Like 26 sellers, I think. Yeah, 26 sellers.
No.
With this much inventory. All of that.
Yeah.
Right? Unless you want to wait. No.
So what I'm like, you really have to do some research to get really good products.
Right.
It seems like the last 5 of them and they ain't been
Right.
too hot.
Yeah. So low sales per month, right? Wait, no. Too many sellers. Too many sellers. There. Yeah. Yeah, but even if you order like 1 or 2 a day though. So if you order 1 a day, right? So 1 a day times 10 units. In 1 week, that's 50 units, right?
Yes.
It means you're sending about 1 box per week to Amazon at 1 per
Okay.
day, which is still a good start.
Okay.
And then if you do 2 a day, it means you're sending 2 boxes per week to Amazon. All right, next product. So brownie signature automotive steering wheel cover. Okay, same. Looks the same to me. So camo, 1 each, 4 by each. Camo. It's the same?
Look the same to me.
What's
Away.
the size though? See the size.
Go up really quick. Go up really quick.
On Walmart?
Down. Right there.
Size
There's the size.
right here?
Let me see really quick. Yeah, it's the size right there, isn't it?
Oh, my one by one?
No, that's not it. Never mind. I don't know, man. Size is not on there. I wouldn't risk it.
I mean, it's not the size. I mean, oh, right there. So 15.5,
Yeah,
right?
it's 15. Yeah, but it's not showing it on the other one.
The problem here though is that this listing has no information.
Correct.
Oh. Which is surprising because this seller is actually a good seller. Advanced Auto Parts. Sometimes they're here too in the reviews if you guys really want to dig. I mean, if you really want to go an extra step, you can even like the contact a seller. Let's see. Yeah, but let's just assume, right? That it's the same. So this one is about $17. So 17.99. Okay. So sale price is about $39. This one is a variation. So for variations, you would look for the exact variation. So for this one, the variation is mossy oak breakout camo. So you go to your keeper, right? and then variations. And then you look for the exact variation here on Keepa. And by the way, for a new seller, just don't worry about this right now. Right, guys?
Okay, because
Yeah, it's just we're just going deep on this one. So look for the variation, which is mossy oak breakup country camo. I think this one, right? Yeah, this one. So this variation gets 43% of the sales right here. You guys see it?
Mhm.
So now you would take this number and take 43% of it, right? So 269 times 43%, which is 0.43. Got it? So pick the variation, take the percentage, and then take the percentage of the sales per month. Got it? Okay, so this exact variation is selling at 115 times a month. So now we go to your competition. I mean, it's not bad. Would you guys do it? So 115 sales a month with all these other sellers with this much inventory.
I'd do it.
Would you guys do it, Brandy?
Yeah.
If Elaine was here, she'd be like, nah. Like, I'm so picky, I don't want to buy anything. So funny. So yes or no in the chat? Yes, no, maybe? Let's see the chat. So William is a yes. Brandy's a yes.
Yes.
Marcelo's a yes. I think it's a good one. Sounds pretty good. So good. Good. So again, for the new sellers, if it's good, order 10. So buy 10 and have it shipped to your prep center.